Being healthy is not a goal, it is a journey. It can never be a destination. Hello, friends, welcome. This is the ABCD series, specially for all you lovely parents out there, all about children's diet. So, if you are a parent, then you're familiar with the problems that you face on a day to day basis, be it giving a glass of milk to your child loaded with taste enhancers, sneaking in some healthy vegetables to make their food more nutritious, or be it having an extra serving of a chapati or a dal for that matter, blackmailing them to eat the fruits and the vegetables. The story and the struggle doesn't end here. We also have to make sure that our children are drinking enough amount of water so that their bowel movements are clear and they have a clear gut system. So with so much to already take care as parents, it becomes difficult at times and we may miss out on certain important factors that takes care of their nourishment in an overall manner, in a holistic approach. So this is your nutritionist Prerna from NutriReach, bringing to you some small effective tips that can help you have a healthy family, a healthy child. Without wasting much time, let's begin. This entire talk today is for the age group from 5 to 8 years of age. इस एज में जनरली हमें 1200 से 1600 that is 1200 to 1600 kilocalories per day is a normal requirement of the child of this age group. During this age group, their height grows up to 5 to 7 centimeters. They also grow in their weight around 1.5 to 3 kgs during this time. And this is a time when a lot of development is taking place at the levels of their motor skills, at the muscular level, in their bone health. Also, they are growing in their brain adaptability to various things. So a lot of motor skills, a lot of momentary skills are developed during this age. So this time requires a very good nourishment because this forms the basis of their health in future. So let's first, before we move on to what should be the actual diet for the 5 to 8 years of age kids, let's look at some basics we as parents can really work on. As I always say, parenting is never, there's nothing called as perfect parenting. I feel every parent is just perfect in their own sense. But together, we can share our expertise and help each other grow and make a better future for children. What say? Yeah? So let's begin with the rules that make a healthy family. The first one, so I named it as the Family Fundas for Fitness, F4. First one comes being a role model. So follow first. Children by nature are very good at imitating. वो हर एक चीज कॉपी करेंगे. तो जब तक आप कोई चीज नहीं करेंगे, आप सैलेड्स नहीं खाएंगे, आप कैसे एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते कि आपके बच्चे सैलेड्स खाएंगे? You have to, instead of giving them instructions, you will have to make some self-constructions, because only that is something that they are going to be learning. They are very strong at observation at this age. So do not miss out on this point. Follow first and then expect them to follow the leader, follow the leader. Yeah. Moving on to the second point, which is consistent meal timings, having a proper breakfast and a dinner routine. Now a lot of parents keep telling me, बच्चा सुबह कुछ खाता नहीं है या सिर्फ दूध पी के स्कूल जाता है. N number of people, n number of difficulties that parents come across as far as feeding the child in the morning is concerned. I'll tell you one thing. In our body, there is something called as the Jatar Agni in Ayurveda. Jatar Agni is a natural instinct of a human being to feel hunger. Okay? So, इसका direct link आपके dinner से है. अगर आप एक अर्ली डिनर लेते हैं, अर्ली डिनर मतलब सोने के 2 या 3 घंटे पहले का डिनर, सो अगर आप एक अर्ली डिनर कंजम्पशन करते हैं एज अ होल फैमिली टुगेदर, इट इज़ बाय डिफॉल्ट कि आपको सुबह भूख लगेगी, और जब इंसान को भूख लगती है तब आई हुई हर एक चीज़ बहुत टेस्टी लगती है. We have all experienced this sometime or the other, isn't it? Right? So you have to make sure, if you want your child to have a healthy and a proper breakfast, control and regularize, not control, I would say, just regularize their dinner eating patterns. That's the most important thing. Alright? Dining table rules. No television. Do not give up to their demands, come what may. If they now get into a habit, they are like कच्ची मट्टी. आप उनको जैसे इस समय पे मोल्ड करेंगे वैसे मोल्ड हो जाएंगे. तो उनको एक हैबिट में हमें डालना होगा दैट विदाउट टेलीविजन ऑल्सो यू कैन रिलिश फूड. उनके पांचों सेंसेस फूड के साथ होने चाहिए. जैसा अन्न वैसा मन. वी ऑल नो दिस, राइट? बट आर वी रियली प्रैक्टिसिंग इट? सो अगेन दिस ऑल्सो टेक्स मी टू द पॉइंट नंबर 1. अगर एज अ पेरेंट आप खुद टीवी देख के खाना खा रहे हैं, आप नहीं एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि आपके बच्चों में ये क्वालिटी आएगी दैट दे विल नॉट हैव टेलीविजन along with food. So let's first put it into our practice that strictly no TV during the meal times. आप थोड़ा लिबरल हो सकते हैं. लेट्स से आप उनको बोल दीजिए स्नैक टाइम में आपको स्नैक के साथ टीवी थोड़ा सा हम अलाउ करेंगे, बट ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच एंड डिनर विच आर द मेन मील्स, you should make sure there is absolutely no television with food. Second one is the talk time. Now this is a time where it is a family talk time. It is a family space. A family that eats together, stays together. So this is the time when you interact with your child. Do not miss out on these beautiful moments, because these children are going to grow up one day. And believe me, once they grow up, it's a difficult story altogether. So enjoy this moment. Talk to them on the table, off the table. And the third one is the no jaldi thing. Now no jaldi ka funda, isko tum maro zor ka danda. I have seen across in my vicinity as well, and also a lot of my clients. You know, they have always been जल्दी खाओ, जल्दी सो, जल्दी नहाओ, जल्दी पढ़ो, जल्दी करो. अरे कहाँ भागना है इतना जल्दी? चांद पे जाना है, आपकी ट्रेन छूट रही है. हाँ, बस छूटती है अगर बच्चे जल्दी नहीं करते, पर कहीं ना कहीं हमने इस वर्ड को बहुत लिबरली यूज करना शुरू कर दिया है. हर चीज में हम जल्दी करते हैं, एंड देन वी एक्सपेक्ट chew your food well, isn't it? So chewing is important. It's a very important mechanism. The salivary enzyme is secreted when you chew well. The digestive system improves. You do not have problems of constipation. For that matter, having difficulties in absorption of the vitamins and the minerals as well. So chewing has its own n number of benefits. गांधी जी ऐसे ही नहीं कह गए 32 बार खाना चबाना चाहिए. चलो 32 बार नहीं, कम से कम 25 बार तो करो. सो अगर आप जल्दी करेंगे तो कैसे चबाएंगे? Give them time to eat. It's okay if they eat slowly. Let them get into a habit of chewing. This is very, very important for adults as well. Next we move on to sneaking smart. So we all feel, there are many of us who feel that sneaking is not good. But I personally feel that sneaking is a great way to deal with these young-hearted children, serve them with correct nourishment. Simple सी बात है. टेस्ट कितना होता है बताइए? कब तक आपको कोई भी फूड का टेस्ट फील होता है? गले में जाने के बाद फील होता है? पेट में जाने के बाद फील होता है? नहीं होता है. So taste is only for this 2 centimeters. If you are serving them the taste that they relish, it really doesn't matter. Having a good taste and having a good presentation is all that these tiny tots look forward to. So work on this. There are so many YouTube channels, there are so many videos on the YouTube for variety of foods. Come on guys, let's explore, yeah? And they are very easy also to make. I am also soon be going to come up with few recipes, so stay tuned for that. But as of now, definitely having a good taste. अगर आपके बच्चे को मीठा पसंद है, आप उस टेस्ट में उन चीज़ों को बनाइए. अगर उन्हें स्पाइसी पसंद है, तो स्पाइसी टेस्ट ऐड कीजिए. टेस्ट ऐड करना कैसे वेजिटेबल्स को स्नीक करना, दिस इज एन आर्ट दैट एवरी मदर और एवरीबडी हु इज कुकिंग एट द हाउस must learn. It's a great way to deal with children and serve them with good nourishment. Next is using affirmations and positive words. Now, we instead of saying कि ये मत खाओ या ये मत करो, we can always give them an option. How about trying this new variety? Yeah, what would you like as a person? If somebody is constantly bambering you with don't do this, don't do that, don't do this, or why don't you try this? Which one is better? You choose for yourself, right? So it's very important that हम positive बात करें. देखिए, ये जो एज होती है ना, इसमें बच्चों का एक फूड के साथ बॉन्ड बनता है. आपने और मैंने भी ये बॉन्ड बनाया है कहीं ना कहीं. हमारी स्पेशल डिश, हमारी फेवरेट फूड्स, ये इसी समय पे बनते हैं. तो अगर आप उनसे कह देंगे या आप टेबल पे साथ में बैठे हैं और अगर आप करेला खा रहे हो और आई डोंट लाइक करेला, देयर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड कैचेस योर वर्ड्स. दे आर वेरी टेंडर एट देयर एज. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आप अपना थॉट प्रोसेस या अपना लाइकिंग या डिसलाइकिंग उनके ऊपर इस तरीके से ना बताएं कि वो उसे कैप्चर कर ले और वो भी उसे सत्य मान ले. सो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम इसमें एक थोड़ा सा स्किलफुली हैंडल करें इस चीज़ को और उनको वो चीज़ें एक्सपीरियंस और एक्सप्लोर करने का पूरा मौका दें. ठीक है. सो यूजिंग पॉजिटिव वर्ड्स, फाइबर एंड वाटर. We all have been constantly talking about carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals है. फाइबर और वाटर कहाँ गए? हाँ, हाइड्रेशन इज द की फॉर दिस चिल्ड्रन. इनको दिन में फॉर 5 to 8 years कम से कम 1.5 से 2 लीटर पानी पीना चाहिए. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर हम डायरेक्टली पानी नहीं दे सकते, हम उन्हें नींबू पानी दे सकते हैं, हम उन्हें सूप्स के फॉर्म में दे सकते हैं. काफ़ी सारे फॉर्म में हमें हाइड्रेशन लेवल उनका मेंटेन करना होगा. सो गुड अमाउंट ऑफ फाइबर, गुड अमाउंट ऑफ हाइड्रेशन विल कीप देयर गट हेल्थ ऑल्सो गुड एंड यू विल ऑल्सो बी टेंशन फ्री. बिकॉज मल में बहुत बल है, तो अगर उनका मोशन सही नहीं है देन यू नीड टू चेक ऑन स्पेशली दीज 2 ingredients. एंड अ गुड प्रेजेंटेशन. एज आई टोल्ड यू, आप मुझे बताइए, इफ यू सी समवन हु इज नॉट वेल प्रेजेंटेड, डू यू रियली लाइक सीइंग देम? No. You yourself want yourself to be in a best of your presentations, whether it's grooming yourself or seeing a particular exhibition or whatever it is. No matter whatever, whichever area, everybody likes to see something which is presentable. So they also, as toddlers, would love to see a little bit, a dash of presentation. I'm not saying that आप अपने मील्स को बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लेरी बनाइए या उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा डेकोरेटिव बनाइए. नो, कीप इट सिंपल बट कीप इट ईजी, लाइट एंड फन लविंग. ओके, सो यू कैन डेफिनेटली वर्क ऑन द स्किल्स एंड आई ट्रस्ट द पेरेंट इंस्टिंक्ट ऑन दिस. हु इज सेटिस्फाइड? हैव वन मोर चपाती. मैं जितना खाना प्लेट में लाई हूँ वो फिनिश होना ही चाहिए. ये किसके सेटिस्फैक्शन के लिए है? आस्क योरसेल्फ, क्या आप बच्चे का पेट भर रहे हैं या अपना मन भर रहे हैं? राइट? तो come out of this thing that the whatever you have served in whatever amounts, only if that is going inside this child's stomach, that is like your ultimate aim for every Indian mother. बच्चे ने खाना खत्म किया is like a reward in itself. I think we really need to think on this. Are we satisfying our hunger to our minds, our egos, or are we really satisfying the hunger of the child? Think for yourself. Educate but do not bombard. No, you can definitely educate the child. अगर आप ये particular vegetables खाएंगे, आपकी eyes अच्छी होंगी, इस पर्टिकुलर वेजिटेबल से आपका बोन्स डेवलप होगा या इस पर्टिकुलर फूड से आप में बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथ आएगी. लेकिन आप उन्हें एजुकेट कीजिए, बम्बार्ड नहीं कीजिए. इट शुड नॉट बी दैट एवरी फूड आप उसको कार्ब, प्रोटीन, फैट्स, विटामिन, मिनरल्स में ही सेग्रीगेट कर रहे हैं. कम ऑन, दे आर चिल्ड्रन, लेट देम लिव देयर चाइल्डहुड. This is the time they're going to be enjoying and creating memories with food. You and me have done it, then why not them? Isn't it? So make sure that you let it be free, let it be easy, educate, but do not bombard. Stop junk food reward system. Now this is a strict no. Even Rujita ma'am also has mentioned this in one of her videos, that how nowadays children are being given junk food as a reward system. Do you think really what are we doing is correct? अगर तुमने ये finish किया तो I'll give you a chocolate, I'll give you a candy, you get a cola, you get a glass of Tang. Very, very absolutely something that we must stop right away. You are indirectly telling the child that having a junk food is something which is very, very, it's very admirable, it's very unique in itself. No. Junk food is junk food. It cannot be healthy food. You can make a healthy food look like a junk food, but you cannot make a junk food look like a healthy food. We are being hypocrite if we do this. So let's not get into this hypocrisy. Stop giving junk food as a reward system. What you can instead do is, you can have some star chart system, or you can have, maybe, for example, we have to use skills as parents all the while. So maybe, we can just say, अगर आपने ये particular food finish किया, या आपने ये particular चीज़ की, so I'll treat you with a story tonight, or we might play some games together. Why don't you think this reward can be much better? Yeah. So no reward to the junk food. And last is, indulge into a love affair with exercise. Exercise is not a compensation to the meal. It is something that should be a part of everyone's life. Something that children love doing. It should be like a love affair. It should be absolutely no conditions, no judgments to it. But definitely, काफ़ी सारे बच्चे इस एज ग्रुप में बहुत एक्टिव रहते हैं. So that's okay. But for those who are not, even otherwise, if you start practicing. So this again takes me to the point number 1, which is follow first. So if they start seeing you exercising, practicing yoga, doing certain forms of activity, then they will by default it will get into their system. So make exercise fun. There are a lot of games that they can do while they are exercising, and just keep it very, very easy for them to understand that exercise should be like brushing your teeth. Extremely important and an inseparable part of their life. So patience in the mind and dynamism in the action is my secret mantra for a healthy parenting. Good diet, a healthy nutritious diet, a good physical activity due to the child's brain development and his overall development, the best of apps on the gadgets won't. This brings me to the end of the first episode of the ABCD. If it has added even 1% value to your learnings in life, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Do log in again, because we are going to come up with a lot of other videos in the similar series. We are also going to have some live interactions that I'll keep you posted on. Till then, I hope this was of help to all beautiful parents out there. This is your nutritionist Prerna from NutriReach, signing off.